Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Swiggy is hiring for business associate planning and performance. Job location is Bangalore and experience required is 2 to 5 years. Employees are expected to work from the office on all days out of their respective base location. So this is a work from office job. Let's check the job responsibilities. To generate focused and conclusive output on a business use case as per requirement. To create, publish conclusive intelligence and RCS in article, dashboard, report, forms and help drive decision making. To design and implement the analytical projects for insight that drive the business goals and decisions. How to improve conversion via browse, merge and search, etc. To define and track metrics which help evaluate the health of business. To build automated altering system for proactive and primitive actions. To identify the right metric and contribute to the measurement framework for the respective business unit. To improve the accuracy of data through participation in data. Would work with business, product and data engineering teams for continuous improvement of data accuracy through feedback and scoping on instrumentation quality and completeness. Work with functional teams in articulating strategy and vision for relevant stakeholders. Now let's check the desired candidate profile. Bachelor's degree in engineering, mathematics, statistics or related technical degree. 1 to 3 year experience preferably in a consulting or analytics environment. At least 1+ year hands-on experience on data manipulation tools like SQL, R, SAS, Python, Excel, etc. Experience in R, ClickView, Google Analytics, Mixpanel, good to have. MySQL should be able to write clean SQL queries. Excel, VBA, Google Sheets, AppScript should have a basic understanding of statistics or modeling. Excellent analytical, problem-solving, presentation and communication skills. Demonstrated ability to work in a rigorous, fast-paced environment. Multiple senior stakeholders. We are at equal opportunity employer and all qualified applicants will receive consideration for employment without regards to race, color, religion, sex, disability status or any other characteristic protected by the law. If your profile is matching with their desired candidate profile, you can apply for this job role by clicking on this apply button. After that, this page will open where you have to first attach your CV or resume. Then you have to fill your personal details, first name, last name, email, phone number, address, current location, date of birth, and then employment details, total experience, current company, notice period, current salary, expected salary. Then your demographic survey, which is totally optional. After that, other key details and message from applicant. If you want to give any message, you can type it here. And then you provide and then consent. And after that, after filling this application, you have to click on the submit button and submit the application. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को like कीजिए, share कीजिए. If you are having any suggestion, you can comment also. Thanks for watching this video.